Understanding vehicle tax deductions. First year full deduction for business used vehicles.
For tax purposes.
Right. So it's around 6,500 pounds or higher.
Okay.
So what that means is if the vehicle is more than that weight, if the vehicle is $200,000, you can deduct that full amount in your first year.
In my first year, you can deduct that for
Supposed to be in the
business
business name.
So you can deduct the whole thing.
So if you make 200 grand a year, you wouldn't want to go buy a $200,000 car and then expense it, and now your income's zero.
Right.
You know,
Right.
like the idea is your income's, let's say 500,000 plus.
Right.
Then you would buy the vehicle 200,000. Now you're knocking your income down to 300,000.
Right.
So you're saving, let's say, almost 40% on that 200 grand.
It's like you're good until you get in trouble.
Basically, yeah. Well, I use insurance all the time when I talk to people about taxes. I'm like, you go drive around with no car insurance.
Right.
Until you get into an accident, you're fine.
You're fine.
It's never had any issues. I'm like, we never got audited. Once you get it audited, then you find out how good your account was.
Right.
Just like you find out how good your insurance policy was.
Yeah.
Right?
Once you get into an accident.
I would tell people, like, they come in, they're like, oh, I want to expense this. I'm like, would you drive home right now with no car insurance? They're like, no, probably not. I'm like, all right, well then doing this expense is probably that same kind of risk if you got caught.
It's a great. I'm going to start using that one.